Maharashtra schools to reopen for classes 5 to 8 after consulting health department. Schools told to get symptomatic cases tested when they reopen. Pokhriyal and his UAE counterpart discussed the new national education policy and plans for internationalization of education. 22,172 UP schools update info to become centers for board exams. Parents Association begins fast over school fee. ICSE and ISC pre-board exams 2021 may be held in January. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Maharashtra Education Department will allow reopening of schools for classes 5 to 8 after getting the approval of the State Health Department, as said by the School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad on Wednesday. The state government had last month empowered district collectors and local authorities to decide on reopening of schools for classes 9 to 12 based on the pandemic situation in their areas. The district health department on Wednesday directed all its primary and community health centers to test symptomatic teachers or students of government schools for COVID-19 whenever schools reopen, despite having no clarity regarding the reopening of schools which are shut till December 10. The Director General of Health Services on Tuesday advised the Education Department to adopt preventive measures if schools reopen soon. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal virtually held a meeting with his UAE counterpart Hussein bin Ibrahim Al Hamidi on Thursday and discussed the new national education policy as well as India's plans for internationalization of education. The policy is a visionary document as it lays emphasis on the holistic development of the students. The education sector has the potential to take mutual cooperation to new heights, and both the countries should work in increased long-term cooperation in the field of education, Hamidi said. With the preparations of UP Board for its 2021 high school and intermediate exams being underway, around 22,172 schools out of 27,823 that would be part of the 2021 exams have updated information online, spelling out the infrastructure and resources available with them to act as exam centers. The details were to be updated on the UP Board's website by December 5th, say board officials. Sanyukt Abhibhavak Sangh, the Association of Parents of Students studying in private schools, has started to fast against the government for not giving any relief in the school fees from Wednesday onwards. In the fast, parents stopped eating from 11 am to 6 pm. This strike will continue till December 14th. On the first day, President of Association Arvind Agarwal, General Secretary Sanjay Goyal, Treasurer Sarvesh Mishra, women in charge Daulat Sharma and Amrita Saxena started the fast. The Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination may hold pre-board ICSE and ISC pre-board exams 2021 from early January. The details, once finalized, can be found on the board's official website www.cisce.org. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.